Hi guys, it's Redlinemaxx. Welcome back to my channel. Behind me is the limited edition 2020 BMW M2 CS. Now this car is brutal, and in fact, it is a race car. So we'll do a walk around review of this car and start it up. Alright guys, so this is the 2020 BMW M2 CS. This car is a track monster. This car was designed specifically for the track. Obviously, you can drive this in the regular streets, but this car was specifically designed for the track with its lightweight carbon fiber options, both in the exterior and the interior. So let's do a walk around review of this and take a look at it. So starting from the front fascia, you can see here really aggressive front end, and especially if you go down to the bottom, you can see here it's got this carbon fiber front splitter which extends all the way to the side. Take a look at this. Even at the corner here, carbon fiber, really aggressive. Obviously, it's got this side vents here, which also allows air to go around the car, but extremely aggressive. Huge intakes, as you can see, which also allows cooling of the engine. And if you look over the hood, to the hood, you can see it's got the vents here, which also allows air to come out of it. Now going over to the side, you can see how incredibly low and balanced this car is. And this car's got some extensive work done to it, both in the engine and in the exhaust. Now for the first time, this car comes with adaptive dampers, which when you take this car on a track, it's got some incredible performance. And also when you take this car on the road, you can have some really fun with it, especially with the adaptive dampers, which has the Comfort, Sports, and Sports Plus. So all around, you could take this car on the track and daily drive this car. Now if you go over to the wheel, this one comes with a 19-inch wheel. And also for the wheel, this one here is the HRE performance wheel, which is in gold. Really nice. And also it's got the M compound brakes in red and the calipers in red rather. So the performance in this car is incredibly enhanced, especially with the lightweight carbon fiber options. Now if you go over to the side, you can see here it's got the M2 badge in carbon fiber, and over to the mirror cap, also in carbon fiber with turn signal at the side right there. And going on to the bottom, it's got the side skirts in carbon fiber, which is incredibly lightweight as well. And over to the back, again, 19-inch wheel with the gold wheel. Really incredible. Now let's go over to the back of the car. Now the first thing I want to point out is this carbon fiber spoiler, which is huge as well. And also if you go down to the bottom, huge carbon fiber diffuser. And take a look at this exhaust, a Krapovich exhaust. This thing sounds incredible. So we'll start it up later so you can take a look at it, but the whole back is really balanced and low. Take a look at this. Now let's go over to the engine and pop it up and take a look at it. So double press or double pull here, and once you open this, so the first thing I want to point out is this lightweight carbon fiber hood. This thing is incredibly light. Everything is in carbon fiber. And if you take a look at the hood here, again, you can see here carbon fiber strut mounts, which is incredible. And also the engine. Now for the engine, this one here is a 3-liter TwinPower turbo inline 6, producing 444 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, which skyrockets this car from 0 to 60 in about 4.1 seconds. Now this one here is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Now another option is the DCT automatic transmission, which is also incredibly fast. That one pushes this from 0 to 60 in about 3.8 seconds. Now this M2's got some work done to it, like this new cold air intake, which is in carbon fiber, and also the strut mounts and some other components in carbon fiber. So this is heavily being reworked. All right guys, so another thing I forgot to mention is this lightweight carbon fiber roof. Take a look at this full carbon fiber roof. And also you can see here the weave in the carbon fiber, it's kind of like the check and flag weave. So take a look at that. Full carbon fiber roof, which reduces the overall weight of the car. Now going over to the interior, so once you open the door, take a look at the door panel. This also comes with carbon fiber door handle. Take a look at that, and also some carbon fiber baits in it, and Alcantara with the red contrast stitching. Over to the seats, you can see here the M Sports seats. Take a look at this. Also you can see the side bolsters here, which also keeps you incredibly balanced in the seats. And also you can see it's got the M design here on the headrest and the M2 badge. Take a look at the center console. Full carbon fiber center console, and also the handbrake is even in carbon fiber. So extensive work done to this car. Even the steering wheel, take a look at this. Full carbon fiber steering wheel. All right guys, so as I mentioned, this car comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. So to start the car, pull on the clutch and you start the car. Hi guys, it's Redlinemaxx. As we all know, when we wash our car, we want to make sure our car looks as clean as possible and also as shiny as possible. So today I'll be testing out this product. This is Sumo Ceramic Spray from Sumo Performance. And this is developed in-house and it's supposed to be long-lasting and also gives your car that new gloss shiny look. So today I'll be using this spray on my car and check out the end product. And it is also recommended to spray on the wet surface after you've washed your car, and once that's done and all dried off, we'll spray it again on the second application and see the end result. So for the first application, I'll spray this panel here to see how that will turn out. So once this dries out, we'll spray it a second time and we'll see how this will look like. All right guys, so after the second application, you can see how shiny and glossy the car looks. Looks incredibly nice and also very shiny. So if you're interested in it, I'll be putting down a 10% discount code in the description so you can go ahead and purchase it. Sumo Ceramic Spray really works and also long lasting. So check out the code in the description and make a purchase. All right, thanks for watching. All right guys, so as I mentioned earlier, this is the 6-speed manual transmission. So incredibly nice car to drive. You know, they don't make these kind of cars these days anymore with the actual manual shift. So this really feels incredible to drive. Now, as I mentioned, this car comes with the adaptive dampers. So if you look here, you can see here it's got the damper here, which is in sports. So once you press it, right next to Sports Plus, you press it again, it's got the comfort and sports. So you could take this car out on the track and you can really do some damage to it. And also you can drive this car on the regular streets and you can feel really, really comfortable driving this car. Now, if you take a look at the steering wheel, this is a very massive steering wheel, all carbon fiber as well. And it's very beefy. It's got the 12 o'clock mark right on the top here. And on the bottom, it's got the M badge. So incredibly nice steering wheel, and also on the left side it's got the M1 and the M2 back and the M2 buttons, which also you can customize. So incredibly nice, and you can see here the whole thing is in carbon fiber. Even in the door panel, carbon fiber, and even in the center console here, everything's in carbon fiber. Even the handbrake here is in carbon fiber. So incredibly nice and lightweight car. Now the question that comes to mind is, would you rather have this BMW M2 CS or the BMW M2 competition? Now the difference is that one did not have adaptive dampers. This one comes with adaptive dampers, which you can select the driving mode you want to be in, especially if you're driving on the streets on a regular day. You want to drive this in comfort. Now if you want to drive this in the track, you can also change the settings to Sports or Sports Plus, and also the wheels, the steering wheel comfort or Sports Plus, whatever you want to choose. So it's got some changes that you can make while you're driving on the track. And also with the lightweight carbon fiber options, it's got both in the exterior and in the interior. Also helps with the performance in this car. So I would choose this M2 CS because of the lightweight carbon fiber options and also the performance this car comes with, especially with new adaptive dampers. Really incredibly nice to drive. And also this is in manual. Nowadays you don't have cars like that with the manual shift. So it will be a really nice fun car to drive, fun car to own in your collection if you are a car collector especially. This will be a nice option for you to have, the BMW M2 CS. Incredibly nice. Now this one is more expensive than the regular M2, a few $1,000s more expensive, but this car is very nice to drive. The looks, the incredible lightweight package this car comes with, it is a nice car to drive. So once again, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I want to give a big shout out to Porsche of St. Paul for allowing me to do a video on this car. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press that like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.